In the previous video, we learned how to rewrite a logarithmic form into exponential form. So in today's video, I am going to discuss the properties of logarithm. So let's start. So let b, r, and s be positive real numbers with b equals 1 and c is any real numbers. So we have three properties of logarithm. The we have the product rule, the quotient rule, and the power rule. So in the product rule, example, log base b of rs equals log base b of r plus log base b of s. So all we need to do is to multiply the log base b of r equals log base b of r. Log base b times s, we have log base b of s. So that is the product rule of logarithm. So next is we have the quotient rule of logarithm. So example is we have log base b of r over s and log base b of r minus log base b of s. So multiply log base b of times r equals log base b of r, and log base b of s, we have log base b of s. So that is mm, the quotient rule of logarithm. So in product rule, positive sign, in the quotient rule, the negative sign. So all you need to do is to remember that sign. So last but not the least is we have the power rule. Power rule is we have log base b of r raised to c equals c log base b of r. So all we need to do in the power rule is to put the exponent in the front of, move that here, so that the answer is c log base b of r. So that is the power rule of logarithm. So in order for us to masabtan jud og maayo, so I have here the proof of logarithm. So we have here the example. We have here log base 7 of x raised to 3. So we have here log base 7 of x raised to 3. So knowing that we know about the powers, we can rewrite this given into, so knowing about we have know about the powers, so we can rewrite this logarithmic form into log base 7 of 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So that is it. So in using the product rule of logarithm, all we have to do is to break this. So say we have using the product rule, all we need to do is to break down. So equals log base base 7 of x plus log base 7 of x plus log base 7 of x. So that is the product rule of logarithm. And next is we need to combine like terms. So in combining like terms, so let us going to use the power rule of logarithm. So log base 7 of x plus log base 7 of x plus log base 7 of x. So combine like terms. So let us combine like terms. So the answer is log base 7 of x cubed. So let us use the power rule of logarithm. Say, so let us put that here, 3 here. So the answer is 3 log base 7 of of x. So that's is the example. So let us continue the proof of a logarithm. So let's start with the product of r and s. So another example na sab ni siya. So r and s equals b raised to x times b raised to y. So next is r and s. rs equals b raised to x plus y. So this is the proof of logarithm. So log base b of rs equal to log base b of r plus log base b of s. So the rule we have used there is the product rule of logarithm. So that's it for today. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God bless.